Hey guys, what's up? Jai Hind. This is Ananya, your SST Master Teacher here at Vedantu. How are you all? I hope you people are taking very good care of yourself. So guys, first of all, people, if you are new on this channel, guys, let me welcome you guys to the family of Vedantu's 9th and 10th English. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and show some love by hitting the like button. Thank you so much in advance. So guys, what are we going to do in this video, guys? In this video, we are going to continue with our session of natural vegetation and wildlife. So people, this is the second session of this particular chapter. If you haven't watched my previous session on this topic, make sure that you people are watching the previous video, because in that video I gave you a brief idea of what are we going to learn in this chapter, and also I covered some very important topics like the factors on which the natural vegetation and wildlife of any area depends. So the topic is, the session was very important. Make sure that you guys are watching my previous sessions on this particular video, all right, on this particular chapter. Okay. So guys, let's continue with our session. But before guys, I continue with today's session. In this session guys, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to continue with the types of vegetation. All right. Before that guys, let me tell you, if you people wants to take our vPro subscription guys, so this is the best time you guys can enroll to our vPro. The way you people are watching my sessions on YouTube, in a similar way you guys can take our pro subscription and be a part of my long-term batches guys. All right, why to take our vPro subscription? Will definitely tell you at the end of this session what are the advantages of taking our vPro subscription guys. Take it, because right now EdFest is going on and a huge discount is going on. So this is the time you guys can use my coupon code ADPRO and be a part of my long-term batches. But before that guys, let's understand about the types of vegetation in detail. Let's dive deep into the concepts of various types of vegetations in India. All right, so let's get started. Yes, let's get started guys. Okay, so guys, there are total 5 types of vegetation we are going to understand in this particular session: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest and mangrove forest. These are the topics we are going to cover in this particular session. So let's understand the very first one, tropical evergreen forest. ठीक है, let's understand ये इंडिया के कौन से पार्ट में मिलता है. So first of all guys, if you look at the map of India which is given on the screen guys, on the right hand side of the screen, you will come across the areas which are shaded in green guys. All right, so the areas which are shaded in green, you will come across tropical evergreen forests. All right, as you can see in the western part of India, then in some like northeastern side of India, in some part of the eastern coastal plain of India, then the islands of India, which includes Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island. So basically, the areas which are shaded in green, in these areas you will come across tropical evergreen forest. All right. So guys, let's understand why only these areas you will come across tropical evergreen forest. What are the features of these forests, and which are the different types of animals you will come across in these forests. Let's understand everything in detail. Okay. सबसे पहले guys, these forests grows best in the areas having rainfall of above 200 centimeter and a very short dry season. ठीक है, and guys, the height of these forests grows above 60 meters in height. Yes guys, it has the vegetation of almost all kinds, which includes trees, shrubs and also creepers. Guys, what are shrubs? Shrubs are short heighted trees. Okay, these are shrubs and these are creepers. So guys, in this type of vegetation in evergreen forest, you will come across trees, shrubs, including creepers. Right? So the areas which receives more than 200 centimeter of rainfall with a very short dry season, you will come across tropical evergreen forest. Okay? Guys, these forests appears green all the year round. That is why it is known as evergreen forest. And some of the important trees of this forest is like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, so on and so forth. Okay? And some of the animals you will come across in evergreen forest are deer, lemur, monkey, elephants, and many other species. That's it. That was all about evergreen forest. Let's talk more about tropical deciduous forest in detail. Okay? Now, guys, as you can see on the right hand side of the screen, the areas which are shaded in green, guys, in these areas you will come across tropical deciduous forest. Okay? Now, guys, please make a note of one important thing. The majority of the part of India, the maximum part of India is covered by tropical deciduous forest. Okay? All right. Thus, tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. The way our Priya Bhavna ma'am is also known as Gudiya, in a similar way, tropical deciduous forest is also known as monsoon forest. जैसे कि Ananya Sir is also known as Chintu Bhaiya, in a similar way, tropical deciduous forest is also known as monsoon forest. ठीक है? Guys, let's understand in which areas you will come across these forests. Guys, the areas which receives rainfall between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter, you will come across tropical deciduous forests. Now, guys, one of the important feature of these forests is these forests shed their leaves. So, falling of leaves takes place for almost 6 to 8 weeks. So, it is for almost 2 months shedding of leaves takes place, all right, during dry summer. Some of the common animals found in this region is lion, tiger, pig, deer, and also elephants. That's it. All right. Now, guys, try to understand further. These forests can be classified into two types. The areas which receives rainfall between 200 to 100 centimeter, you will come across moist deciduous forest, and the areas which receives rainfall between 100 to 70 centimeter, you will come across dry deciduous forest. Okay? And these are some of the species of forest you will come across. Some of the species of trees you will come across in moist deciduous and dry deciduous. All right. So guys, you people can download these slides from the description box after this video. Okay? Everything is available for you. Okay? चलो let's continue and let's talk more about the different types of forests in India. So guys, अब तक हमने complete किया है tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Now guys, let's talk about tropical thorn forest and scrubs. ठीक है? Now guys, look at the image which is given to you. Guys, tropical thorn forest and scrubs forest you will come across in drier parts of India. The areas which receives very less rainfall, very scanty rainfall, less than 70 centimeter. All right, you will come across tropical thorn and scrub forest. Like the western part of India, which includes Rajasthan, northwestern side of India, then Gujarat, some part of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, some part of Haryana as well. So the areas which receives very less rainfall, guys, you will come across these types of forest. Okay? Now, some of the features we need to remember is trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil. Why? To get more moisture. Yes. So that is why the roots are very, very deep, and the stems are moist. Why? Why the stems are moist? To conserve water. Okay? The stems are moist to conserve water, and leaves are mostly thick and they're small. Why? To minimize evaporation rate. To reduce the rate of evaporation. Okay? Now, some of the main plant species you will come across in these types of regions or these types of forests are acacia, palms, europhobias, cacti, so on and so forth. And some of the animals which can survive in extreme climatic conditions are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, so on and so forth. That's it, guys. So the topic is very, very simple. Yes? Great. Guys, do not forget to like this video. Chalo. Coming to the second last type of forest in India is mountain forest, guys. Guys, mountain forest you will come across in mountainous regions of India and Himalayan regions of India. As you can see on the screen, guys, the areas which are shaded in light green, not in dark green. So guys, the areas which are shaded in dark green, कौन से type का forest है ये? Yes, you are absolutely right. Tropical evergreen forest. But right now we have to focus on the light green color. Okay? So the areas which are shaded in light green color, you will come across mountain forest, guys. Okay? Now, guys, at every altitude, as the altitude increases, guys, the density and the type of vegetation changes in Himalayan regions also. Like for example, at an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meters above sea level, you will come across wet temperate forest. ठीक है. At an altitude of nearly 3600 meter, the density of forest reduces and you will come across grasslands, which are also known as alpine vegetation or alpine grassland. Guys, alpine is a term which is mostly used to basically alpine is a type of vegetation you will come across in mountainous region. Okay, so it is a term used for the plant species found in mountainous region at high altitude. So guys, at nearly 3600 meters, the density of forest reduces and you will come across alpine grassland. Now guys, these alpine grasslands are used for grazing purpose. Okay. Further, if you move at higher altitude above 3600 meter, you will come across tundra vegetation. Again guys, tundra is a term which is used for the vegetation found in cold regions. Okay? And in these regions guys, you will come across mosses and lichens. Guys, mosses in Hindi we call it as like kai. Okay? Mosses and lichens. That's it. So guys, from this we can conclude one important thing. As we move at higher altitude, the density and the types of vegetation changes and it also reduces. Okay? And some of the common animals which are found in these regions are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, so on and so forth. Okay? So guys, you people can pause the video and make a note of all these things. That's it guys. Now guys, coming to the last topic guys, and then I will definitely guide you like how you guys can be a part of my long-term batches. Okay? The way you people are attending my sessions on YouTube in a similar way, you can take my pro subscription and you guys can learn from us. Okay? Guys, many people have a confusion or a very common question, sir. If I use your coupon code that is AD Pro, so will I be enrolled only to social science? No, guys, you will be enrolled to all the subjects: physics, chem, bio, maths, SST, and English. So, guys, what are the advantages of taking our Pro subscription? We'll definitely tell you guys after this topic, that is Mangrove Forest. All right, let's continue. And guys, do not forget to give your answers in the comment sections. All right, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you 2 homework questions. Make sure that you guys are giving the right answers in the comment section. Next time, I'm going to display the names of all those students who are going to give their answers in the comment section. Okay? Chalo, let's continue. Let's continue, guys, with the last type of forest, that is mangrove forest. Now guys, mangrove forests are mostly concentrated in deltaic regions and the areas which are the coastal areas which are continuously hit by tides. Okay? Now guys, if you remember in our 9th class, we have already studied about the deltas found in the eastern coastal plains of India. All right. So let me remind you once again. If you remember guys, in the eastern coastal plain of India, you will come across many deltas. Okay, what are deltas? Guys, deltas are the landforms which are formed due to the depositional work done by the rivers. Okay. So guys, what happens like river Kaveri, river Krishna, river Godavari, river Mahanadi, all these are some of the eastern flowing rivers which flows from eastern ghats and they deposit their materials on the eastern coastal plain. All right. Sorry, the same explanation I give to the 10th class students also. Guys, this year only you are learning about the drainage pattern of India. I'm so sorry. Okay? So there are few topics where I explain the same concept to the 10th class students as well. So इसलिए थोड़ा सा confuse हो गया. Alright guys, you should know about the drainage pattern of India, the physiography of India. So like river Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi. Guys, these are some of the east flowing rivers in India. Okay? Now guys, these east flowing rivers carries lot of sediments with it and these sediments are deposited on the eastern coastal plain of India, which gives rise to lot of deltas. Okay? And guys, deltas are basically swampy regions on which you will come across mangrove forest. Okay? Guys, you should know one important thing. The world's largest delta is Sundarbans. Okay? यहाँ पे guys. Okay? That is the world's largest delta, which is found in West Bengal and Bangladesh. Guys, this world's largest delta is named after a very common species of tree you will find in this region is Sundari tree. Okay, that is why it is named as Sundarbans, and it is formed due to the deposition work done by two major rivers, River Ganga and River Brahmaputra. And Royal Bengal tiger is a very famous common animal just found in these forests. That's it, guys. Guys, I hope this session was really useful to everyone. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and keep on sharing our videos with all your friends. And guys, tell all your friends to be a part of our VPro subscription. Now guys, I want you people to wait for a few minutes. A very very important thing आपके फायदे के लिए बताने वाला हूँ. Now guys, I know that most of the things are clear, but just in case if your concepts are not clear, yeah, you have doubts, you want to ask your doubts to your master teachers, you need more assignments for practice, you need more tests, you need a revision plan, or you need the explanation only in Hindi or only in English or in mixed language. So guys, we are there to help you. Guys, if you take our pro subscription, guys, every session is going to be a live session like the session which you people are watching right now. This is a recorded session, guys, and you know the difference between watching a recorded session and a live session. In live session you can actually interact with your teachers, okay? So every session is going to be a live session. We complete the entire syllabus which includes all the subjects: physics, chem, bio, mathematics, English and SST, okay? You guys can download the handwritten notes by your master teachers. And guys, at Vedantu, in Vedantu we have two teacher pattern. Means master teacher will clear all your concepts and doubts. With that, you will have a class teacher who will help you to clear all your doubts during the class. And not only this, guys, you can also ask questions from morning 8 a.m. to till evening 11 p.m. Post class engagement. Is it possible on YouTube? It is not possible on YouTube. Okay, as such there are many advantages, guys. Continuously assignments are given to you, tests are taken. So guys, how you guys can take the pro subscription, and the best part is like right now if you take our pro subscription using my coupon code for entire term 2, we have two plans: Pro Lite and Pro Classic. In Pro Lite, in Pro Classic, guys, you will get a doubts app. Means from morning 8 a.m. till evening 11 p.m. you guys can ask unlimited questions. Unlimited questions, guys. Okay, we have two plans with all these advantages, whatever I said you. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. The price which you can see right now on the screen, this is for entire term 2. Plus, now if you apply my coupon code ADPRO, you will get flat 50% off up to rupees 2000. Means this 8000 will come down to 6000. Guys, just imagine all the subjects with all these advantages at just 6000, and that 10,000 will come down to 8000. What else you want? Okay. Now, if you think, sir, do we have any trial plan? Yes, we do have a trial plan. Guys, this Pro Lite subscription, the trial pack is actually at 1200 rupees. But now if you apply my coupon code, it will come down to 600 rupees. 600 rupees bus. And the trial plan for Pro Classic, which is at 1600 rupees, it will come down to 800 rupees if you apply my coupon code ADPRO. अच्छा, how to apply? Link is there in the description box. यही link से जाओगे तो my code is already applied. ठीक है? Use this coupon code ADPRO. Check whether this coupon code is applied or not. You'll get flat 2000 off. Guys, what else you want? This is the time you guys can come and take our pro subscription. At least take the trial plan. Alright? Chalo. So guys, coming to the homework question. Ebony, mahogany and rosewood trees are grown in which type of forest? Okay, so this is the first question with 4 options. Second question, Royal Bengal tiger is famous animal of which forest? Alright, so what you people are supposed to do, guys, you have to give the answers in the comment sections. Guys, these are the batches which are going to start. Guys, today is the last day of this EdFest, so make sure that you guys are using my coupon code ADPRO and take the advantage of this discount which you people are going to get. Alright, So thank you so much, guys. I hope you had a great time with me with this on this video, and make sure that you guys are watching my previous sessions on this chapter, and make sure that you guys are watching our like the upcoming videos as well. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next session. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.